Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on electrical circuit analysis. So today, our topic is condition of symmetry. Okay, so let us start our lecture. Okay, condition for symmetry. Condition for symmetry. So now we have the two-port network. Given two-port network is like this. Okay, so it has the port 1 as the terminals 1 dash. Okay, the voltage at port 1 is V1, the current is I1, and port 2 is 2 dash. The voltage at port 2 is V2 and current is I2. So this is our two-port network. Then what is the condition? Okay, so the condition okay for symmetry of given network. Condition for symmetry of any given network. Any given network is V1 by I1, that is impedance from the port 1 when port 2 current is 0. That means the input impedance seen from the input side at port 1 side must be equal to the impedance seen from the output, that is V2 by I2 when the other port is open circuit, that is current is 0. That is the impedance from the one port when the other port current is 0 is equal to the impedance from the other port when the first port current is 0. So when this is equal, then the network is said to be symmetry. Okay, so let us find the first one is condition for symmetry in Z parameters. See, first write down the equation Z parameters. What are the Z parameters? So V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Let us say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now, what is the first one? So step 1 is port 2 is open circuit. Port 2 is open circuit. So we are going to find this V1 by I1. So let us say this is the equation A. So that means that is what? So that is the current I2 is 0. Okay. So from the equation 1, V1 equal to Z11 I1. So from this V1 by I1, okay, when I2 equal to 0 is nothing but our Z11. So this is equation 3. Okay. Now, what is next step? So step 2 is So step 2 is port 1 is open circuit. Okay, port 1 is open circuit. So that is the current I1 equal to 0. So from equation 2, okay, so V2 equal to what is the equation? So this equation is here. V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. But here I1 is 0. Here V2 is equal to what? Z22 I2. Okay. So V2 is equal to Z22 I2. So from this V2 by I2 equal to at I1 equal to 0 is nothing but Z22. Equation number 4. Okay. So from equation A, okay, you can substitute. So this equation 3 equal to equation 4. So therefore, what is equation 3? We got Z11 is equal to Z22. So this is the condition for symmetry in Z parameters. That means if the given network is said to be symmetrical, if the Z11 equal to Z22, then only the given network is symmetrical. Okay. Now next one is, so we will find out the condition for symmetry in H parameters, sorry, Y parameters. Let us say Y parameters. Okay, Y parameters. So write on the equation, Y parameter equation, I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Okay, so now what is step 1? So the steps are same. Okay, step 1 is I2 equal to 0. That means port 2 is short, open circuit. Okay, so that means let us say this is equation 1, equation 2. Now this is another case. So second case it is. Okay, so therefore equation 1, equation 2. So we want what? V1 by I1. When port 2 is 0, we are finding the V1 by I1. So first from the equation 1, okay, I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, because I2 is not there in this equation. Okay, now second equation. So Y2 equal to 0, therefore Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So from this, what is the equation? So we are finding the V2. We want to express this V2. We want to express this V2 in terms of V1. Okay. So therefore what? So V2 equal to, you bring this Y21 V1 to the LHS side. Therefore minus Y21 V1 by this Y22. Now substitute this value in this equation. Okay. Then you will get what? So here I1 equal to Y11 V1, okay, plus Y12 into, what is the V2? Minus Y21 V1 by Y22. Okay, so this is the equation. Now from this, so I1 equal to, take the V1 common, okay, Y11 minus Y12 Y21 by Y22. So therefore I1 equal to V1, this is Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21 by Y11. So V1 by I1 equal to, what is the value? So Y11 by Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21. Okay, so this is equal to what? Let us say this is equation number 3. Now what is the next step? So step 2 is I1 is 0, input current is 0. Therefore, so from the equation 1, 0 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. Okay, so from this, what is V1? V1 is equal to minus Y12 by V1 is equal to minus Y12 by Y11 V2. Okay, So substitute in the equation 2, then you will get what? I2 equal to y21 v1, but this v1 value you are substituting here what? Minus y12 by y11 into v2 plus y22 v2. Now take the v2 common. Okay, so minus y21 y12 by y11 plus y22. Now, so from this, if v2 is common, now take that LCM minus y12 y21 plus y11 y22 by y11. So I2 equal to. So from this what? And our input is open circuit. So we are finding what? V2 by I2. V2 by I2 is equal to what? Y11 by Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21. This is equation number 4. So from this equation A, what is this equation A? So this equation A nothing but, okay, so V1 by I1 when I2 equal to 0 and V2 by I2 when I1 equal to 0, both are equal. So therefore, so according to the, okay, according to the equation 3, according to symmetric condition, according to A, equation A, so this equation 3 equal to equation 4. What is what equation 4 it is? Okay, equation 4. What is equation 3? So equation 3 is V1 by 1, Y11 by Y11, Y22 minus Y12, Y21. So this is what? Sorry. It is what, Amma? So 0, Y11, V1. So this is Y22. Sorry. It is what? V1 is equal to, yeah, Y11, V1. So bring this by minus Y11, V1. V1 is equal to Y12 by minus Y12, V2, Y11. Yes. Then what? How we are getting this? Just a minute. Yes. So now here this is I think Y22. Okay. So here Y22 you get it. Yes. Small mistake here. I did. So therefore from this equation 3 equal to equation 4. So equation 3 is what? Y22 by Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21, which is equal to equation 4 is Y11 by Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21. So this denominator, okay, this denominator both are same, so therefore cancel. Therefore from this, what is the condition? So for symmetry, Y11 must be equal to Y12. So this is the condition for symmetry for Z parameters and Y parameters. So for Z parameters, Y11 is equal to Z11 is equal to Z22. Y parameters, Z11 is equal to Y11 is equal to Y22. Okay, for 22, this is 22. Okay, Y22 is equal to Y11. So this is the condition for symmetry. That means if you find the Y11 value and Y22 value same, then the given network is symmetry. Okay, so next one is, let us start. Third one is condition for symmetry in H parameters. Okay, so H parameters, because ZY completed. Write down the equations. V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. So Y2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Equation 1, equation 2. What is step 1? So first step is what? I2 equal to 0. Okay. So I2 equal to 0. So from equation 2, 0 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. So from this, what is a V2? We want to V2 value. So V2 value is nothing but what? So minus H21 by H22 into I1. Now substitute this value, substitute these 3. Okay, substitute, just wait, yes, substitute 3 in 1. Okay, so what we get? So what is the one equation? V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 V2. What is V2 here? So V2 equal to minus H21 by H22 I1 minus H21 by H22 into I1. So take the I1 common. Z11 minus, what is Z11? Why Z11? Sorry, this is H11. Yes. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Yes. Just wait. Yes. So here, so this is what H11. Okay. So H11 minus H12, H21 by H22. So therefore, now you take this. Just wait. This is H11. So this is H11, H12. Okay. Now, so if you take this P1 equal to I1 common, so LCM is H22. Okay, H11, H22 minus H12, H21. Okay. Now, therefore, what is V1 by I1? So, therefore, V1 by I1 equal to H11, H22 minus H12, H21 by H22. Let us say equation 4. Okay. Now, what is the next step? So, step 2. Okay. So, step 2 is what? Port 1 current is 0. Therefore, so what is the equation 1 and equation 2? Equation 1 is this one. Equation 2. You want to find V2 by I2 now. Okay. So, from equation 1, V1 equal to H11 I1. So, I1 is 0. Okay. H1 to V2. Okay. So from equation 2, I2 equal to H21. See, H21 I1, but I1 is 0. H22 V2. Okay. So H22 V2. Okay. So therefore, from this, what is V2 by I2? V2 by I2 is nothing but our H22. So this is equation number 5. So according to our symmetry condition, according to equation A, so this equation 4 equal to equation 5. Then what is equation? H11, H12, H22 minus H12, H21 by H22 equal to, just wait, what is this I2? I2 equal H21 I1, I1 is 0, H22 V2, V2 by, sorry, this is 1 by H2, right? Yes. Now this is 1 by, okay, 1 by H22, because V2, I2 is coming this side and V2 is going LHS side, therefore 1 by H22, okay. So therefore, what is this value? 1 by H22. H22, H22 cancel. Therefore, what is the condition? Therefore, the condition is, what is the condition? H1, H11, this is 1, okay, H11, H22 minus H12, H21 equal to 1. So, this is the condition for symmetry in Y parameters. Then, what is the condition for symmetry in ABCD parameters? So, last one, condition for symmetry in ABCD parameters. ABCD parameters. Yes. Now, first write on the ABCD equations. So, what is that? V1, I1, we are expressing input voltage, ending on voltage, ending on currents in terms of what? Output voltage and output current. AV2, BI2, okay, CV2, DI2. So, equation 1, equation 2. So, first, what is the first step? Step 1 is V1, okay, that is sorry, I1, I2 equal to 0. If I2 equal to 0, so from equation 1, what is V1? AV2, because this term, entire term is 0, BI2 is 0. Okay, next. So, equation number 3. Next, from second equation, I1 equal to CV2, because this G into I2 is 0. So, this is nothing but our equation 4. Now, we want V1 by I1. So, divided this equation 3 by equation 4, which implies what? V1 by I1 equal to AV2 by CV2. So, V2 cancel. Therefore, V1 by I1 is equal to A by C. A by C. Let us say this is equation number 5. Now, next step is what? Step 2 is, what is step 2? I1 equal to 0. Okay? I1 equal to 0. So, from equation 2, 0 equal to C V2 minus D I2. Now, tell me, what is this? So, C V2 equal to D I2. So, from this V2 by I2 equal to what? D by C. So, this is number equation number 6. Yes, equation number 6. Okay. So, from according to the symmetry condition. So, according to equation A. According to equation A. So, this 5 must be equal to 6. What is the 5? A by C equal to D by C. C cancel. Therefore, A equal to D. Okay. Now, what is the conclusion? So, conclusion of this today lecture is, okay, our summary of the today lecture is, okay, symmetry, condition for symmetry is nothing but, see, first Z parameters, okay, Y parameters, H parameters and T parameters or ABCD parameters. Okay, now what is the condition? So, first Z parameter Z11 equal to Z22. So, we derived this. Next, Y11 equal to Y22. Okay, so this is H11, H22 minus H12, H21 equal to 1. So, this is the condition. For T parameters or ABCD parameter, A equal to D. So, this is the conclusion of this today lecture. Okay, H11 minus H11, H22 minus H12, H21 equal to 1. Okay, so this is the conclusion of today's lecture. Okay, thank you for listening to the class.